Hello, this is Anushka Shinghoroy and you are watching the Heritage Pod. Today we are going to discuss some of the topics of the research methodology paper, and we have with us Professor Bonali Roy, who is going to discuss it for us. Hello ma'am. Ma'am, while studying research methodology paper, I came across two terms quite often. One was population and other one was sample. Ma'am, could you please explain me these two concepts?
Yeah, thank you, Anushka. You know, for any student of research methodology or for any researcher, the concept of population and sample is very basic. You should be totally clear of what it stands for. Now, what is population? Population is actually the total number of cases, observation or units that are a part of your study. And what is sample? Sample is actually the number of cases, units or observation that will be included in your study. To make it more simple, Anushka, can you come out with an example? Okay, let me give you an example. Suppose you want to do a research study on what the voters in the age group of 18 to 25 years think about one nation, one vote. Clear? So, if you have taken Kolkata metropolitan area as your area of study, now there are lakhs, if I am not too sure, there are crores of people in this population. Is it possible for you to interview all for your study? No, it is not a feasible study. So, what is the population? Population actually refers to all eligible voters in the city of Kolkata, this is characteristics 1, and those who are in the age group of 18 to 25 years. So, all these people form your population, but for the feasibility of your study or for the feasibility of carrying out your research work, it is not possible to get in touch with each one of these people individually. So, what does the researcher do or students like you do? They decide the number of people they will actually be talking to or they will be interviewing for the purpose of their research. So, the number of respondents that you are actually talking to is your sample, right? Now, while talking about population and sample, one more important concept you should be clear of, that is the question of representation and generalizability. Your sample size should never be too less. Why? Because then it raises the question of representation. Because if you have interviewed very small number of people, the results that you finally get might not actually represent, the mindset or the viewpoint of the entire population. So, you should take a sample that is big enough, so that at the end of your study, you are able to generalize your finding. What does generalization mean? Generalization means that whatever outcome you have arrived at the end of your research study holds true for majority of the population. Am I clear to you, Anushka?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear now. Thank you for answering this to me, and I hope that all the viewers have understood it too, and thank you for watching the Heritage Pod. Thank you.